Oh, we didn't pass all the stuff.
Oh.
Yeah. All have
Come on up. I'm going to kick you out again. Joe, if you put him back in the jury room.
All right. Come with me again, folks.
Well, some of you said you wanted to move a little bit. You didn't want to sit too long. Yeah, your stuff's all right there. Yeah, you're all right.
You guys know where to go, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
It's just amazing.
Yeah. Hi, Bill. Maze has been bugging her. Why isn't it on live stream? Why isn't it on live stream? I understand there's something to put on the record.
Yes, Your Honor, I've had an opportunity to speak with defense counsel and the ultimately was extended this morning. And my understanding is they have accepted it and it would be one count of reckless driving. With the understanding that there will be multiple sentences.
Here's what, and I don't even know if the people know this, but when did we put you in sobriety court? How long has it been? 3 months? About?
So it's a little over 3 months.
Yes. Okay. All right. So here's what I'm inclined to do. She's in our sobriety court. Okay. I don't think there's a need for a PSI because this incident was before I put her on probation in our sobriety court. I'm inclined to just sentence her to 12 months probation, same terms as sobriety court.
Yeah.
I don't see the need for another screening.
I would defer to the court's discretion as long as it's the same terms as their other OWI case.
Yeah. It's basically, I'm just going to track this probation with the one she's currently on.
Go ahead, Margaret.
Mr. Duncan, any objections to that?
She would be placed in sobriety court. And I know she is already in law.
She's already in sobriety court. Yeah, I'm just going to track this file with that file. So in other words, a violation of sobriety court probation violates on this file. All right. All right, so let's do it. Ma'am, you understand your rights and options?
Yes.
You better sit down. You sit down because you're close. No, sit down. You're closer to the mic that way. Roll your chair over a little bit because you're soft-spoken, Ms. Ashton. All right. Do you understand your rights and options?
Yes, I do.
All right. Do you understand the possible penalty for reckless driving?
Yes, I do.
All right. Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty today freely and voluntarily to that charge?
Yes, I am.
Mr. Duncan, the incident date, April 15, 24, would you voir dire?
In the city of Bell, that was found in the paper.
Yes, I was.
And while we're operating the military, you can essentially take your eyes off the road.
Yes, I did.
And taking your eyes off that. accident by running into a park here.
People satisfied with the facts? No.
Judge, the prosecutor had a point that you'd like to bring up.
Yeah, go ahead.
The record reflect that he also had a blood alcohol number of 0.031 grams of alcohol per 100 milliliters of blood. I understand that's not the level for an OWI, but I think
It's factually correct.
yeah, that is correct, and it goes to why he was driving recklessly from our position.
All right. I'm satisfied that the facts have been met. I'll accept the plea and dismiss the original charge reluctantly. Immediate sentence.
Yes, Judge, and I asked that she gets a Friday court now, I asked that the sentence be a continuation of her participation in the court sobriety.
Done. And just a clarification, I misspoke because I said I was going to put her on probation. I think, well, maybe I didn't say it. That she's currently on a 24-month probation. She's less than 4 months in, I think. All right. So I'm going to put her on for 20 months probation just so it's tracking with the other file.
Thank you.
All right. Ms. Ashton, don't feel that, excuse me, don't feel that you have to, but is there anything you want me to know before I sentence?
Can you say it?
It's a formality to give you a chance to talk. You don't have to.
Oh, so, sorry.
Hmm.
Sorry. Arvin.
Yeah.
I.
All right. All right. So go ahead.
In this case, there was so another parked vehicle was.
Here's what I'll do. Here's what I'll do. I'll leave it to you to reach out to any victims that might have a restitution claim. Oh, she is.
It made like an insurance amount, so if I can just have a brief.
Go. Yeah. You're probably comfortable, right? Oh, boiling up here.
So, Your Honor, we would just reserve that for another,
That's fine.
her former partner, and they're no longer together, so he doesn't know the extent.
Ma'am, don't go away. Don't go away. I want you to hear this. All right. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to sentence Miss Ashton. I'm going to put her on probation. I put a note under restitution in the sentencing notes, TBD. Ma'am, if you have a restitution claim, contact Mr. Mohammed. He'll bring it to the court. We'll communicate with Mr. Duncan. If, for example, if you come in and you want $200, Mr. Duncan's probably gonna say it's not worth our time to come talk about it. We'll pay the $200. You come back and say, I want 20 grand, we'll probably have to have a hearing. Understood? Any questions? Now you can leave. Thank you for your time today. All right, anything else before I sentence? All right, Ms. Ashton, I'm gonna put you on probation for 20 months. Just tie it with the sobriety court file so the terms are the same. I'm assessing court costs on a $500. When can you pay that? All right. Okay, you're all set. Thank you. Mr. Mohammed, are you two going to be around for a few minutes?
Yeah.
All right. I'm going to go talk to the jury, get them out of here, and then I want to talk to you guys. You're welcome. Okay, I'm just going to go in and schmooze in a little bit. You can have a file.
Heather, I'm just gonna leave this here, or do you want it up there?
Oh, that's all. I got it from clean.
Or-
Thank you. Have a good day.
Yeah. Wow. Nice seeing you. Nice seeing you. Well, it's a good seeing you. Yeah, okay. Very good.